Smith Real Estate are extremely proud to bring to the market this exceptional lifestyle development, comprising of 4 lots on Millington Road, Maunu. Design and build your next home to take advantage of the surrounding landscape, complete with dry stone walls and native trees reflecting the land's volcanic origins. Positioned amidst the thriving Maunu community, which has so much to offer, including cool cafes, superb schools, Maunu Tennis Club, and not to forget, you'll be living directly across the road to Sherwood Golf Course. Quality land is in high demand and short supply. My name is Jo Green, and I look forward to hearing from you.